Good morning, girls. Today in our mathematics class, we will do chapter trigonometry, exercise 15.5, question number 8. The angle of elevation of the top of the hill from the place is of 45 degree. In going towards the hill 480 meter from the place, the angle of elevation of the top becomes 60 degree. Find the height of the hill. Okay, now this is your hill and from hill to the place is 45 degree. This is the top of the hill and angle of elevation from top of the hill to a place is 45 degree. Now if you start moving from point A to point D, it cover 480 meter distance and after this covering distance, angle of elevation becomes 60 degree from the top of the hill. So this distance is known and this distance is unknown. CD is unknown and you have to calculate BC, that is the height of the hill. Now in required, let the distance CD is x. First of all, you will consider this distance is x and this distance is already 480. So this whole is your base. This side is your base because we know that this is 90 degree angle here. This is your 90 degree angle. So opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. This is perpendicular and this is base. Now, first of all, we consider the triangle ABC. Triangle A, B and C. The whole triangle ABC. Perpendicular upon base. Tangent 45 degree is 1. Base is your CD plus DC. CD plus DC. DA is your X plus 480. This is X plus 480. And this is perpendicular is BC and base is x plus 480. Okay. So here you will become this when you cross multiply BC is equals to x plus 480. This is your equation number 1. Now we come to the triangle BCD. Again if we are talking about BCD, this is also a right angle triangle. So in tangent angle D, अगर आप tangent trigonometric ratio use कर रहे हैं तो इसका formula होता है perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is unknown BC and base is x. That is CD. So CD की place पे आपने x लिख दिया. Tangent 60 degree, the value of tangent 60 degree is 1.732. So BC is equals to 1.732. Now this is also the value of BC and this is also the value of BC. So you equate equation number 1 and 2. So we have 480 plus x is equals to 1.732x. Now when you shift this x over here, it will become minus x. So 1.732 minus 1 is equal to 0.732. Divide this value. 480 divided by 0.732. The value of x is 655.7. Now put this equation over here. Equation number 2 becomes BC is equals to 1.732 and in place of x you are putting its value 655.7. When you multiply, your required answer is 1135.7 meter. Okay, now we come to question number 9 here. In question number 9, Ali standing in a stream finds that the measure of the angles of elevation of two trees of height 6 meter and 8 meter on opposite bank in the line with him are of 30 and 45 degree respectively. Find the width of the stream. Ali is standing here in center and the two trees are opposite to Ali, 6 meter and 8 meter respectively. Now from Ali to the top of the tree, the angle of elevation is 30 degree where the 6 meter tree is there, and if 8 meter tree is there, its angle of elevation is 45 degree. You have to calculate the width of the tree. It means you have to calculate the distance DC or CD. You will calculate the distance CD over here. So you have to find out two triangles separately and then calculate this distance CD. So here first of all we calculate in triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC and we know that C is 90 degree. So its opposite side is hypotenuse. This is your base and this is your perpendicular. So tangent angle BAC is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular आपके पास 6 मीटर है, आपने यहाँ लिख दिया. Base आपके पास unknown है AC over here and tangent 30 value is 1 upon root 3. When you multiply, cross multiply, root 3 shift here, AC shift here. AC is equals to 6 into root 3. Calculate it, it will become 10.52 meter. Now we will see the second triangle ADE. E. So in triangle ADE, again you are using tangent theta perpendicular upon base. So tangent 45 degree is equals to 8 meter is your perpendicular and base is your unknown AD. Okay, tangent 45 की वैल्यू 1 होती है, जब आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ये हो जाएगा AD is equals to 8 meter. Now add equation 1 and 2 we have. When you add equation 1 AC और AD को जब आप ऐड करेंगे तो आपके पास required value DC आ जाएगी. Hence your answer is 10.5 meter.